Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl, Miss Spirit. I am so happy to be here with you. Happy New Year's Eve, Happy New Year, depending on when you're watching this video. I hope that this next year brings you blessings, prosperity, abundance, peace, joy, love, laughter. Thank you all so much for your support on my last video. 2021 was a year where I had a lot of endings, but also new beginnings in my life, and I really learned to stand up for myself and not take no ish from nobody, so I'm happy about that. This video is going to be all about how I slick my hair back, slickety slick, into a ponytail. I'm about to do my hair for New Year's Eve. I really wanted to do curls in my hair, but I have a, what is it called? A casting call. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hair in the slick ponytail, and then if I get a chance to add curlers to the ponytail, I will just come back, put that in this video. But right now we're gonna put it in a slick. I want a mid ponytail right about here. So let's get into it. First things first, my hair is freshly washed and it has not been retwisted in probably about 6 weeks now. So you can see she's giving roots. She's also giving length. Today for the ponytail, I'm just going to use, boom, a little bit of rose water, edge control, and a smidge of wrap and roll gel, wrap and roll styling mousse. I don't usually use the styling mousse, but today I am. And the hair oil that I'm going to use is from Lashandra's Essentials, okay? So this is one of my supporters. She sent me her hair oil. It can also be used as a body oil, and like, look at it, it has rosemary in it. It has all the herbs in it. I think it looks so cute. This is made of avocado oil, castor oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, macadamia, neem oil, vitamin E oil, fenugreek oil, other oil. Like, my girl got the oils, but it's not super heavy, so I like that. So my hair was just washed. I don't know, every time I get on camera I have so much energy. That's why I need to make more videos. And that is one of my resolutions for 2022, is more YouTube videos. So I don't know if I should do like a middle part. I don't have a middle part, but what do I think? Middle part pony? No. Slick back pony. I love me a slick back, girl. I'm the pimp named Slick Back, okay? Make sure to always concentrate your focus on the ends. The ends can be some of the drier parts of our hair. So make sure you get that down. I also like to massage my head because it feels good. Okay. Just kind of rubbing it backwards, massaging the roots backwards. This ponytail is always really good when you have not retwisted. This gives a more full look to the roots. Okay. So after you kind of massage it like that, then I put a little oil in the hair. I might just squirt a little bit into the other parts too. But the main thing is to start getting my hair in that slick back direction. And since my hair is damp, it is gonna take about 30 minutes to an hour and a half for me to just let the ponytail set by itself. Because if wet hair doesn't really stay down that much. Let's give this a smell. It smells very healthy and natural. So thank you, Lashandra. If you guys would like to try this oil, it worked really nice on my body too. But it's super lightweight, not sticky. And now I'm just gonna kind of massage that into the hair. I'm gonna talk to Lashandra, see if we can get a 10% off code popping. So So that way I'll put it in the description box. Woo. This hair be giving thick when I don't have a retwist, girl. It's so thick. Ugh. So now I have to keep smoothing it to the point where like I don't see any lumps and humps. Not to be dramatic, but I wanna die. My arm said that. Okay. Looks pretty good. Okay. Now mind you, the way that I do it, there's a little bit of product on my head, girl. There's a little bit of product on my head, girl. You can stop right here with just the oil and rose water. It's not gonna stay slicked all night though. So what I'm gonna do is put in the ponytail now, okay? Okay, review, observe, it's a pretty good ponytail. And if it wasn't New Year's Eve, that ponytail might have been good enough. I'm gonna use my baby Tress edge brush, okay? And we're going to do a little slicking, I don't even know why I let y'all see my face at that angle. Okay, so put a little bit. Now I ain't gonna lie, I've been doing my hair like this since the 6th grade, girl. Okay, I don't want y'all to do this much. Don't listen to me, just watch me and then find your own way to do it, honey. I'm using the Ebon edge control right here. But you know what I'm saying? It's New Year's Eve. It's what I call a special occasion. Because 2022 is giving good energy. It's giving pop out, sis. And now I'm just gonna kind of just brush it back in there. Don't shoot me, because I know how you girls like to tussle. You know what I'm saying? I don't want the girls like, why are you putting all that in your hair? Why you doing all that to your hair, spirit? Like, leave me alone, girl. Me and my hair got a deal. All she got to do is show up and look cute, and then I'ma help her. Okay, now if y'all look, that didn't even do too much, you feel me? So now what I really do is, this is when the girl really gets spicy. I put a little bit, not a lot, I'm gonna show you how much. A little bit of little edge control like that. Then I'm gonna give me a little bit of mousse like that. Put the edge control and the mousse in the same palm. Then I rub them together like this. And then I'll go like that. Yes, sir. That's gonna make that ponytail slickiana. Okay. Ugh. You gotta pull your brains back with it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So now that that's done, I know the ponytail gonna hold after sitting the scarf, child. And now I'm just gonna do my edges just a little bit. All I need is a little bit of edges on it. You know what I'm saying? A little something, you know what I'm saying? A little something cute with it, you know what I'm saying? Let her know she's cute with it, you know what I'm saying? Okay, period. Should we give him a little sideburn? I'm gonna just give him a little sideburn, you know what I'm saying? Just a little something, you know, she's cute with it. Just a little something. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Just a little something, something on the side. You know what I'm saying? There she go. Here she is. There she go. Give me that little juice on the sideburn. we go. Let's give it one last little brush through. Now to make sure this side look like this side. Okay. Okay. All right now. That ponytail finna last me all night, baby. Now we're just gonna put the scarf on like this. Yes, sir. Tied up like that. And I'll be back. You got to give this girl about 30 minutes minimum. Hour and a half maximum. But when I tell you she's gonna look right, oh, she's gonna look right. All right, y'all. I'll be back. Okay, homegirls, it's time to reveal this ponytail. I just came off the casting agency thing. I'm trying my best to not be cheap and to take smart, calculated expenses towards my career, so I'm a little shaken up, but God bless, and hopefully I made a good decision. Okay, I signed up. All right, now it's time for the big reveal. It's time for the big reveal. It's time. There we, wow! Yes! Pony, oni, oni, oni. Don't Friday, that pony. Okay? Y'all, I love me a good ponytail. So that's how I slick the hair, girl. Little edge control, little oil, little rose water, a scarf. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, baby. Thank you for watching my channel. Mwah! Next, we're gonna get ready for New Year's Eve together. Okay, that's gonna be another video. Bye. I'm not putting the curls in the hair, girl. I ain't got time for the girls, girl. They gonna have to get this straight. Nay, ponytail, okay? Catch it. Catch it. I'll throw it at you. Bye.